Okay, let me start off by introducing you to your new ultimate driving machine. This here is a 2024 BMW M240i xDrive Coupe. You may be saying to yourself, what does all that mean? Well, what it means is this is BMW's version of a coupe with a 3-liter V6 turbocharged engine with 382 horsepower. It has the M appearance package, so it's got those really nice, cool M wheels. If you know anything about BMW, M is like their top of the line performance, sporty, division. So it's got the M wheels. It's got piano black trim on the bottom there, nice glossy trim. You can see the black trim. This one has tinted windows. The gentleman that traded it in, it was a one-owner, clean Carfax car. He babied it. It's only got 19,000 miles on it. Lots of cool features, heads-up display, built-in navigation, push button start, push button transmission. You just push the button to put it into gear. This thing is sweet. It looks like it's moving fast, just sitting still here. Lots of style, lots of history with the BMW. This is one sweet ride. You need to check it out today. Comes with 2 sets of keys, freshly serviced by BMW. We checked it over from top to bottom, front to back, 182-point inspection. Tires, brakes, fluids, filters, you name it. It's all ready to go. Let me show you the inside here. Black leather interior, power seat right there. Memory seating. Interior looks perfect. This thing is like brand new. Infotainment system. Features in the center there, all the controls for the radio. Back seat, I don't think it's ever been sat in. It's got a cool feature when you pop the seat like this. It automatically goes forward. You can see it going forward. And then when you close it, it'll automatically go back. So if you got passengers that ride in the back there, makes it nice and easy to be able to do that. I'll show you the inside here with only 19,384 miles. Navigation. One of the keys is right there. Again, it comes with both keys. You got all your, controls right there in the center. Really nice steering wheel here. It's got a heated steering wheel. You just push that button and the steering wheel will heat up. It's also got heated seats, of course. Give us a call today, Victory Honda of Plymouth. This is a rare one. You don't see too many of these. It is all-wheel drive, so if you wanted to drive it in the snow or in the conditions that are a little slippery out, you could do that. 315 Ann Arbor Road, Plymouth, Michigan. Give us a call, 734-453-3600. We look forward to helping you out soon. Thanks.